Good morning and welcome back from spring break. I hope you had an enjoyable time off and I hope you're all doing well and safe as we're still in the middle of this kind of craziness of the pandemic. I wanted to introduce materials for you for this week as we focus on tourism. And as you saw from your tourism assignment, I asked for you to do a little bit of work to think about how to get places. And that's because the majority of what we're going to review this week in tourism has to do with kind of transportation options and kind of the impact of tourism. And I think that it's never been highlighted more than when the whole tourism industry was pretty much stopped during this last year and back and forth in different phases. And hopefully, the state of California has announced some guidance on how some of that travel can come back safely. Starting April 15th with being able to have some indoor gatherings and meetings and conferences and things like that, which does heavily relate to tourism because people associate the ability to meet with also being able to travel. So I wanted to highlight this particular page for you because it's going to be important for you to note that while this page for tourism does have some videos for you to watch, it also does have a link to this PowerPoint, which will highlight all of the different items in this chapter of tourism that are of most importance to you. So I hope that you enjoy this. I hope you've had a chance to maybe catch up on some schoolwork. Or rest if you've already been caught up. I will resume office hours on Tuesdays at 5 p.m. Unless someone gives me some information or insight that another time or day would work better. And I'm happy to see how I can accommodate that. But with that, just let me know if you have any questions on any of the assignments, either past or future. And I'm happy to help and happy that you're still with us and looking forward to exploring the rest of our hospitality industry overview the rest of the semester. We're out more than halfway through, so get your seatbelts on because it'll be a quick ride to the finish and then on to summer break. Thanks and have a great day. Great week.